This sound doesn't come from your nose. It comes from deeper inside your throat. When you fall asleep, the muscles in your throat relax, making the airway narrower. As you breathe, air is forced through that tight space, causing the soft tissue to vibrate. That vibration is what you hear as snoring. Your own airway literally shaking as air passes through. The narrower the airway gets, the louder and rougher the sound becomes. Be honest, have you ever woken yourself up from your own snoring?